So we had a request on KickStarter for a wirelessly controlled robot, so that's what we're doing. You recognise this from the KickStarter video. It's a standard cheap robot with an Espruino board and a little motor driver IC soldered onto the prototyping area. There's Bluetooth on the back of it, and this is a battery. Here is a completely standard Android tablet. It could be a phone or anything. It's got a free piece of software called Bluetherm on it. This is a Bluetooth terminal, so you can actually program Espruino completely wirelessly from the tablet or phone if you want. But what we're doing is we're programming Espruino via USB and then using the data we get from Bluetooth to control the robot. So all we've done is we've put this code in via USB. Here we define what pins are connected to the motors. Here we define what we have to do to make it go forwards or back, and a little function that makes it move for half a second and then goes back to being stopped. And here we just listen to what data we get over Bluetooth, and if we get W we move forwards, S we go back, etc. So if we hit W, we're going to move. See, we can rotate and move it around and all sorts. So now I'm going to go away, plug it into a computer again and put some very slightly different code on and we'll see what happens. So now, instead of looking for individual characters, we're looking for whole words followed by a space character. So if I just type it in here, type in forward, it'll work, and back, it'll do that as well. But we can actually turn on the voice dictation feature in Android just by pressing this button. Forward, back, right, forward, and that's it. I mean, it works really well for just a few lines of code. This will work on a phone as well as a tablet. We've just used a tablet here because it's bigger. You can see it easier on a video.